Alright, let me see that bass, Jay. Good job, Morgan. At least Jamie didn't get it, right? Look at that big fishy, Max.
Pull the boat over here so she can take a picture with it. Can you pass this fish off to her, Jody? Grab this. Wow, grab your rod.
Here, hold on, stay there. I'll do this. Alright, Morgan, grab my canoe.
Gotcha. So how do I hold it?
See that bottom lip that I left you with?
Yeah.
Grab it. Stick your hand right in there.
No,
Yay, Morgan!
Take your other hand and put it underneath his belly, kind of like how you saw me do it. You're good. I got the boat.
If he flails, I'm gonna freak out.
You're good.
Yeah, he's weak.
There you go.
Go, Morgan. Go, Morgan. It's your birthday.
Oh, you can take him home.
Say, good job, Morgan. Tell her, Max. Say, good job, girl. So you go, girl.
And then do one more for the bass. Closer to you.
Now I can get you some light. There you go. How's that?
Alright, good.
So what do I do? Just let him...
Just let him go.
Shake him, shake him, shake him. In the water. Get him some water in his lungs. Get him down. You got to get his head down. Oh. Yeah, push him, push him.
Oh, he's gone.
Okay.
Alright, I think ours is...